Welcome back to Future CAD/CAM Design. Today we are going to see part modeling in CATIA V5. So we will discuss how to model this component in CATIA V5. At first, click the plane and select sketch option. So here in this model, at first we are going to draw this section 100 into 40. We are going to draw this section and then we will extrude that one. So now I am going to take profile command. Profile means this represent the continue line. So horizontally we will draw one line and we will extend the line to vertical. Now once we complete our sketch, we need to do the get dimension for our sketch. 10 mm. And then again I am taking dimension. Now length of this sketch is 100 mm. So just double click your dimension. A new pop-up window will open. Just give the dimension what you need and then press OK. So again I am taking dimension and give the vertical height. So double click your dimension. So I am giving 40 mm as the height. So we need to make this circle. So you can see that in radius 30 we need to make one circle and then we need to offset this one. So at the center of the line, center of line 100 mm, we need to make a circle for radius 30. So I will take a circle command. We will draw a circle from center of this sketch. So diameter is 60 mm. I am giving 60 mm. And then I will take here offset command. So just click the circle and drag your cursor inside. So click the circle and drag your cursor inside. Now in top side you can see the commands. Just use tab button. If you press the tab button means it will automatically go to offset value. Now here in offset value I am giving 10 mm. So after drawing the circle we need to use erase option. So double click the erase option and erase what are the unwanted lines here in the sketch. So after erasing the sketches, unwanted sketches, we need to click the exit sketch option. So right side corner you can able to see here exit sketch option. So the profile has been completed. Now we are moving for extrude option. We need to extrude this for 50 mm. So now I am clicking exit sketch option in workbench. Here you can see the extrude option. So here we are going to give the dimension as 50 mm. So for 50 mm width we need to extrude our sketch. So after giving 50 just directly click OK. So this is the extruded part model. So here in corners you can able to see the fillets. So the fillet has given is for radius 12.5 mm. We need to make all the corners radius. You can see the radius 12.5 mm. So here we are going to select the fillet option. So radius I am going to give 12.5, and I am going to select all the corner edges where I need to make my fillet. After selecting, press OK. So here you can able to see now all the corner edges has been filleted. So now I am going to make again one more sketch. Select the surface where you need to sketch and then select sketch option. So here I need to draw now two circles and I need to make extrude cut option, pocket option. So at first you can see the corner edges. We need to make project 3D element. We are going to use project 3D element. This option used for project the corner edges of the previous 3D model. So after projecting, I am selecting both the lines and I am making it as construction line, I mean reference line. The reason why I am selected highlighted the corner edges means by using that while I am drawing a circle, it will show me the center point, concentric center point. Now both the corner edge arc and the circle are now both are concentric. So after drawing a circle, I am going to give the dimension as 10 mm. So double click the dimension and give the value as 10 mm. Same, we need to draw one more circle. Again take circle, and using the reference of the outer arc we are going to make the circle. You can see the concentric symbol available inside both the circles. It represents the outer arc and the circle both are concentric. So for this circle also I given 10 mm diameter. So here you can able to see the center to center point of both the circle is 25 mm. Now we will check using the dimension option. So I am clicking both the center points. Now you can able to see the dimension 25. So it is correct. But you can't able to give the dimension here because it will over dimension. You can see the color of the dimension. It is highlighting in violet color. So it is over dimension. So I am going to undo the dimension. So now we will make exit sketch and then we will make pocket option. Pocket option means nothing but here extrude cut. In SolidWorks Creo it will be mentioned as extrude cut, but here the name is given as pocket option. So here in option we will give up to next. You can check the types. In types we will give up to next or up to last, and then OK. So according to our sketch we need to make one more sketch. So select the surface and again click the sketch option. So here you can able to see we need to draw a pocket for 15 mm. So 25 mm from bottom side and left hand side. So at first we will make a circle and I will give the dimension for 15 mm diameter. So again take the dimension and align your circle from bottom and from side. The dimension here given is 25 mm from the bottom and from the side. So we will change it as 25 mm and we will align the circle. we need to cut and remove this portion. So top side we will connect profile line. So our sketch is now complete. Using erase option we will trim unwanted sketches here now. So again exit workbench, and then we will use pocket option to remove the particular part. So here in command we will use up to next. Up to next means it will remove the part up to next phase. For example, we have make a sketch in one phase, and what is the next phase? It will remove the part up to the next phase. So it is called up to next. So I have given up to next, and then I have selected the sketch, and I am clicking the preview option. There is one more option, preview option. Before exiting the command, you can able to see the preview. So finally our sketch has been converted into 3D. So here bottom you can see we have rotate option. Using rotate option you can rotate your component and you can see how it is.